So hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Aquafina. So in this video I am going to discuss about how to breed gourami fish. So gourami fish are relatively easy to breed and they can lay up to 600 eggs in a single spawning. Whether you are looking to populate your own tank or make a little money on the side, breeding gourami is a great experience. So the first step is difference between male and female gourami. So in some gourami species, male have a rounder dorsal and anal fin along the spine and near the anus, while the male gourami have a more pointed fins. So the next step is select a tank for breeding of gourami fish. For most gourami pairs, select a tank that can hold 10 to 20 gallon, which is 40 to 80 liters of water, up to a 6 inches, which is 15 centimeter water level. This relatively small size and shallow water level actually encourage breeding and fry health, but it is not suitable for all species. Here a few exceptions such as blue or three-spot gourami can be bred in this tank size. Add floating plants or objects, so some species such as the pearl gourami, blue gourami create a bubble nest for the egg on the underside of a floating plant. You may use actual floating plants or cut a thermocol in half lengthwise and float it on the surface of the water in your breeding tank. So always use sponge filter in your breeding tank. Never use a filter or air stone that create a current in the breeding tank, as the current can destroy egg and young fry. So adult may not be willing to lay egg unless the water is completely still in your breeding tank. So the next step is adjust the water temperature, pH and nitrate if necessary. Heat the tank to around 77 to 82 degree Fahrenheit, which is 25 to 28 degree centigrade, and adjust the pH to between 6.6 to 7.5. And the next step is introduce the female to the breeding tank. So move the female gourami you have selected to breed into the breeding tank first. This gives the female first time to locate hiding spot and acclimatize to the breeding tank. And then introduce the male gourami to the breeding tank. After at least an hour or up to a full day, introduce the male to the tank. Watch the behavior of the two fish, making sure the female has enough hiding place to remain alone for a part of the day. So when your gouramis are ready to spawn, you will notice some specific behaviors. The male gourami will start dancing with the female, wiggling as he gets closer to her. When the female gourami is ready to release her egg, the male will fertilize it. After spawning, bubble nest species will gather up the eggs and place them in the bubble nest. So at this point, you should turn off the filter in the tank and carefully remove the parents. The egg will hatch within 24 hours in most cases, and the fry will remain in or near the bubble nest for another 3 to 5 days before they become free swimming and start to explore the tank. So while your newly hatched fry are developing, it is important that you keep the water quality in the tank very high, because you can't use a filter that might hurt your fry. You will need to carefully siphon water out of the tank by hand and replace it with a freshly dechlorinated water. So next step is feed the fry with newly hatched brine shrimp or liquid fry food until they grow to about 1.5 to 2 inches in length. At this point, it is safe to add them to your community tank. It is a good idea to make sure that your community tank has plenty of plants and hiding place so your juvenile gourami can find shelter if they need to hide from larger or more aggressive fishes. As long as you feed them a healthy varied diet, they will grow quickly. So these are all information regarding the breeding process of your gourami fish. I hope this video will help you. More videos are coming soon, so please stay tuned to my channel.